All right, let's go over how you can get scammed over a new compressor. Why does a compressor need a capacitor?
It's just like a battery. It's going to give pretty much a boost to start the compressor and the fan motor and then keep them running.
Put a meter on it, what are you looking for?
Or you put your voltmeter on there and you're looking for a microfarad reading. If this one comes up and it's, 49 to 50, well, this capacitor's weak.
Let's say you just moved down here from the great state of New Jersey or New York, and you got your unit checked out, it's not working properly, and the heat and air tech says compressor's bad. Could be bad, couldn't it?
It could.
Or it could be what?
It could be just capacitor's bad.
Compressor, capacitor, $1,800, $130.
Yeah.
So that you gotta be smart, know what you're talking about.